Hey everyone, let me tell you something funny. My first real data project was a complete mess. I had 110,000 rows of data, cold coffee at 2 a.m., and a product manager who trusted only Excel. I was trying to clean messy data, fix reports. At that time, I thought SQL was only about writing select statements. But slowly, I discovered a few SQL functions that solved most of my real-world problems. Not fancy tricks, not genius-level coding, just practical functions that work again and again. Today, I'll share the SQL functions that solve almost 80% of common data problems. And trust me, if you learn these properly, people at work will think you are an SQL expert. Let's start. First function is COALESCE, your backup plan. In real databases, data is never perfect. Some fields are empty. Some values are null. Some people forgot to enter information. That's where COALESCE becomes super useful. Let's learn with the example. Select COALESCE email, backup _ mail, new mail at example.com, as best _ email. From customers, what this does is simple. First, it checks email if email is empty. It checks backup _ mail if both are empty. It uses a default value. This is really useful. I once worked on a customer campaign where half the emails were missing. Instead of writing complicated logic, COALESCE solved everything in one line. Simple function and huge impact. Let's move to second function. Case when, the king of conditions. Honestly, case when is like duct tape. Not beautiful, but it fixes everything. Let's have a look at an example. Select case when purchase _ amount greater than 500, then big spender. When purchase _ amount greater than 100, then medium spender. Else occasional buyer. End AS segment. From transactions. This lets you create categories directly inside SQL. You can create customer segments, status labels, risk categories, or business rules. I once got a requirements document with 14 different customer types. Instead of arguing with the marketing team for hours, I just used case when statements and problem solved. Moving to third function, string _HG. Stop using Excel for everything. Have you ever wanted all product purchased by a customer in one row? Most people export data to Excel, but SQL can already do this. For example, select customer _ID, string _HG, product, comma, AZ products. From purchases, group BY customer _ID. This combines multiple rows into one comma-separated list. This is super useful for reports, dashboards, customer summaries, and exports. The first time I used string _HG, I honestly felt like a magician. My manager asked, "How did you do this?" I just smiled and said, SQL. Next function is date _ trunk. Because dates are painful, dates are always messy. Every company has weird reporting rules. Some start weeks on Monday, some on Sunday. Some apparently start on Wednesday for no reason. Date _ trunk helps organize dates easily. Let's have a look at an example. Select date _ trunk, month, order _ date, AZ month, count, asterisk, AZ total _ orders. From orders, group BY month. This groups all orders by month. You can also group by week, quarter, year, day, or hour, without writing complicated logic. If you work in analytics, reporting, or dashboards, you'll use date functions almost every day. Moving on to fifth function. Row _ number. Find the latest record fast. Sooner or later, someone will ask, can you get the latest activity for each user? Old me used subqueries for this. It was slow, painful, and ugly. Then I discovered this function. Let's see an example. Select asterisk, row _ number, over, partition BY user _ID, order BY activity _ date desk, AZIN, from user _ activities. What happens here? SQL groups rows by user, orders activities by latest date, and gives row number 1 to the newest record. Then you simply filter, where IN equals 1. Done. This is fast, clean, and professional. Last but not the least functions are sum, count, average. Don't ignore basics. Sometimes we chase advanced SQL tricks. But honestly, most dashboards run on below functions. Sum, count, average, mean, max. That's it. For example, select, count, star, AZ total underscore orders, average, order underscore amount, AZ average underscore order, max, order underscore amount, AZ highest underscore order. From orders, simple aggregation functions solve most reporting problems. Don't underestimate them. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. You do not need 500 advanced SQL tricks. Most real-world work is cleaning messy data, grouping information, creating reports, and finding latest records. These few SQL functions handle most of it. Will your code always be perfect? No. Will you copy Stack Overflow sometimes? Absolutely. We all do. But once you understand these core SQL functions, you become much faster. And suddenly people start calling you the SQL person. That's when you know you've made it.